How to upload a spotlight on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, click on triangle option at the bottom right. Then you'll find plus button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll find options at the bottom. Click on upload a video and then your gallery will pop up. Select the video from your gallery and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on send to. After that, click on spotlight. Make sure there's tick mark in spotlight and then click on send button located at bottom right corner of your screen. You can also add descriptions and then send it. After you've sent it, it will be uploaded to Spotlight. This is how to upload a spotlight on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.